Hi, this is Miss Lassiter here to talk to you a little bit about bar models. And I know you've looked at bar models in the past, and now we're going to just look at the similarities and differences between addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division bar models. I want you to note in this bar model that's an addition one, we have two different size pieces, so they're different colors and they look different sizes, which is important. But what we're looking for is the total, so the sum of the two pieces. So you can see that if I bring those two pieces together, 23,431 plus the 7,465, that's going to equal to the total of the whole bar. And you would bring those two pieces together for the sum of 30,896, and that is what the question mark is. This next picture is a bar model involving subtraction, and it looks very similar to the addition one, except this time we have the total and we're looking for how big is one of the pieces. So you might think about it in several different ways. One, you might think that 6039 plus the question mark is equal to 12,478. Some people might think, well, that's an addition problem. But really, to solve for the question mark is going to be the difference between the total for 12,478 and the one piece that we know the measurement of. So the question mark is equal to 6,439. Again, please take note that this model looks the same as the addition bar model. It's just where the question mark is in the problem. It's a piece instead of the whole. On previous pages, I stated that addition and subtraction are very similar bar models. In fact, the same model, but with the question mark in different places. And the same is going to hold true for multiplication and division bar models. Again, this model is showing that we're looking for a total. So we're going to bring together a bunch of the same size segments, because really multiplication is repeated addition, or because they're all equal in size, you can make it into a multiplication problem. We can count there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 groups of 376 is the total length of my bar, or is the question mark. And by doing the arithmetic, we would see that 3,384 is the value of the whole bar. Now we're going to look at the division bar model, which looks very similar to the multiplication bar model. Again, here, all of my pieces in my total bar are the exact same length. If I want to think of it as a multiplication problem, I count the number of pieces. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times my question mark should equal the total value of my bar. But in this problem, it's similar to the subtraction problem in that I know the total. So really what I want to do is I want to take the total, 4,383, and divide it into 9, and then we find that each piece of the bar is equal to 489. Again, it's very similar to the multiplication bar model. This is another look at a division bar model. Before my division bar model, I had the total, which I have the total here of 56. But then I know that how many are in each group. There are 8 in each group, but I'm looking for how many groups there are. So if you want to think about the multiplication group, it would be 8 times the number of group is equal to 56, or you could think of it as 56 divided by 8 is equal to the number of groups, so 7 is equal to the number of groups. I hope this refreshes your memory of bar models and that you will be able to successfully use them in the near future. Thanks.